Hey, welcome back to Konkani Khann Anik Jevan. Please like, share and subscribe to see more upcoming videos. Kelya Sassam is very easy to prepare and more special occasions demand this dish, as also in wedding feasts. Here I have some ripe homegrown bananas. We need 2 big or 4 small ripe bananas, 1 cup of grated coconut, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 finely chopped green chilli and a pinch of salt. Mash the bananas along with the chilli slightly so that the little pieces of banana remain. Grind the coconut to a fine paste. Add the paste to the banana, sugar and salt and mix well. Instead of coconut, you can also use 1 cup of thick sweet curds. Make a tempering of mustard seeds, jeera and curry leaves and pour over the dish. Kelya Sassam is ready to be enjoyed as a side dish with rice. You may also add grapes for a change. So, when you have overripe bananas, enjoy making these dishes. For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.